Excuse me, how much your salary?
10,000 dirhams.
And how much you pay for rent?
4,000.
Excuse me, how much is your salary?
35,000.
And how much you pay for rent?
8,000.
Excuse me,
Yeah, hi.
how much is your salary?
My salary is 20,000 dirhams.
And how much you pay for rent?
I pay 8,000.
So how much is your salary?
12,000 dirhams.
Okay, then how much you pay for rent?
6,500 dirhams.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
How much is your salary?
20,000.
And how much you pay for your rent?
Around 6,000.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. How much is your salary?
No, I am a businessman.
Oh, okay. So then how much you pay for rent?
7,000.
7,000. यदि तपाईँ पनि महिनाको 5,000 देखि लिएर 6,000 दिरहम रेन्ट पे गरिराख्नु भएको छ भने चाहिँ तपाईँले पे गरेकै रेन्टको अमाउन्टमा म तपाईँलाई यो लोकेसनमा 2 बेडरुम अपार्टमेन्ट दिन सक्छु, जसको चाहिँ तपाईँको मन्थली किस्त हुन आउँछ तपाईँको 5,600 दिरहम। यसमा तपाईँले फ्लेक्सिबल 30-70 को पेमेन्ट प्लान पाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ, जसमा तपाईँले 10% को डाउन पेमेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ, बाँकी तपाईँको 4 वर्षमा 20% अनि ह्यान्डओभरको टाइममा 70% जुन चाहिँ तपाईँले मोरेज गरे पनि भयो। सो यदि तपाईँ पनि यो मौकाको फाइदा उठाउँदै एउटा राम्रो इन्भेस्टमेन्ट गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भनेपछि चाहिँ अगाडि मेरो नम्बर छोडिदिएको छु, चाँडोभन्दा चाँडो सम्पर्क गर्नुहोला।